Guess where we are?
Lagoon!
Who was that? I don't know. Love me.
If you want my number, I'm not giving out my number, but for all these girls watch. Keep the camera in.
Where? Tessa! You're so far away. This is going on YouTube, just so you know.
Don't leave me here alone! Alright, hold on.
It's not taking pictures, it's going on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
Say hi. Say hi.
I already gave her my number.
Oh, I'm gonna go into the chair. Or go into the chair now, please.
Jeez, you guys are holding up the ride.
She like it. I don't want to be alone. You know what? You made me go on this, Kyla.
You didn't have to go. We just want to go because we want to feel like big kids.
I want to feel like a little kid.
Or we want to feel like little kids because we're big kids now.
I'm a big kid now.
Did you hear me on the train when I said that? Like our first time we went on it?
Dude, you're so close to Sunday too.
Yeah.
Tessa!
Welcome to the merry-go-round. Please remain seated in a forward position at all times while the ride is in operation. At the sound of the bell, the ride will begin.
Oh my gosh, Kyla. No, leave it. Stop. We should get that one.
What?
We should get
Yeah. Jeremy was gonna ride it.
Whoa, that's different.
Look, Weston's actually short.
Whoa!
Kyla, are you doing a movie night with us tonight?
What?
Are you doing a movie night tonight? Going up and down.
Where?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, well tell me where it's at and I'll let you know.
Why are we not taking videos?
Because this is what I post on my account. It's just stupid stuff. And so people that are afraid to get on these can know what it feels like. No.
And then like the person's like, if you're a kid and you want to go on it, then you need hot drugs,
The merry-go-round you are riding is manufactured in
These people cannot wait to get on this fun ride.
carefully hand-carved wood that are less than 150 carousels to get 5 figures operating in the United States
Poke it on
today.
his butt.
This priceless ride is and ultimately hand-carved carousel operating in Utah. We hope you are enjoying your ride.
Look, Kate, every time, I know I saw it, every time I got on this ride when I was little, I wanted to ride Black Beauty back there. Like, the black one. That one right there.
Dude, Jacob's frog and a polka dot butt.
That is a frog with a polka dot butt. Yes, it is. Oh, it's wearing pants. It wears boxers. It wears boxers to briefs. The ride is now over. Say goodbye. Everybody say goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
Chad, say bye.